This is cabin 9446 on Star of the Seas. This is an Interior Plus cabin. I've never stayed in this cabin. Stay tuned at the end of this video also, because I'm going to share my review on the location, if there's any noise issues, any of that good stuff. Walking in, it looks extremely small. There's a chair and an ottoman, and oh my, I don't know, those are not my drinks. I think they messed up the cabin. But anyway, we'll figure that out. They do have USB and then an outlet right here next to the bed. You have your king size bed. You have hooks right by the door. This is your bathroom area. Coming in, you have shelving. You have your shower with your hair and body wash with the adjustable shower head. Very nice. Oh, a little pivot door. Even has a little bench in there. Very nice. A backlit mirror. They even have an outlet in the bathroom. Little drawer and shelving below. Let's go see what else they have. You have your touch control panel for your temperature, your lighting. Let's go see your TV. Oh, you know what? Oh, they have a little outlet over here too with a USB and USB-C. On this side, there is no outlet, but you do get a little table lamp. And back here, this is the plus. You have your vanity back here. You have a USB and a USB-C. Your drawer has your room service menus. Little vanity area. Your closet area has the full length. And then your other hanging, you have your safe. Oh, there's your hair dryer. They have the wire baskets under here. But they have a little small fridge. It's a little fridge. And then you have your full-length mirror. I'm gonna get unpacked and see how it is this week. So after staying a week here, here's my thoughts. I actually kind of liked this cabin a lot. I slept so well in this inside cabin. I slept the best I've slept on a cruise, actually. I actually really enjoyed it. Couple things. One, I don't know if I'd want to share this cabin with somebody else. It's kind of small, but as a solo cabin, loved it. Storage is a little tight, and the one thing I kind of really missed was counter space. You only have that desk area. There wasn't a lot of space to put down things, so I did kind of miss that. You heard some, like, I don't know if it's water in the pipes, like when someone's showering or flushing the toilet, but you hear rushes of water. Wasn't a big deal. You can't hear some of the neighbors, like even through like the shower or something. You could hear conversations through your cabins. And I don't think that's a cabin thing. I think it's a ship thing too, that it's on any ship. But just so you know that. Finding the cabin the first day was a little tricky, but after that, I loved the location. It was very convenient to the elevators. So that was a little quick thing. So I liked the cabin a lot, and I would actually stay here again. Hopefully that helps you decide if this cabin is right for you.